Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox a new Tomytec, yes, a new Tomytec Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 9, the MR version. So as you can see here, this thing is a dark gray one, and this is the LVN 349A, the new code for this. So the full name of this is a GSR MR, Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution GSR MR9, which is a really long name for this car. Yes, so this thing is the 06 version, the 06, and this is the new box layout for the Tomytec stuff. And to compare, this is the old box, so I would make a video comparison later between the new and old box. This is the 6 and this is the 9 one. So today we're going to focus this Lancer EVO 9, the main thing to review here. So here you got this Mitsubishi Motor license, official license product. So let's unbox this thing and see what's inside. Alright, so I think I must use something like really thin to open this thing up. Oh my god. So I'm really risky to use the scissors. Okay, so let's unbox this thing. Okay, the box is very fragile. Oh, this is a new box layout, as I can see. Okay, so I must use a scissor again to pull this out. Okay, I want to damage the box. Alright, okay, I pull it out. Yes, so this is the new Evolution 9. Yes, with new packagings, right? This is a new packaging, right? You got this cover and this base, and you also got a coupon for sales. You got this kind of voucher or something that I don't really know, but I think it's a voucher, right? So you got this this plastic protects for the car. And okay, let's get into the car. So this is the gray, the dark gray one, the dark gray. Yes, it's looking really nice. And this is the MR version. So at this the front, you can see that it has like 3 bulb lights in here, and the details is really nice. So it's really nice. So as you can see here, you have like a little, it's not a roof rack, but like something like here. You can see this detail here, right? It pops a little bit up in the roof, and also you got this really nice detail. This detail, and also this is a black spoiler. This piece is black, and this is a gray. If you look carefully. So if you buy the white variant, this might expose better. But with me, the Lancer Evolution just look better in gray, in dark gray. So you got this really nice detail, the Evolution, and the MR badge. It's really dark to see, but you can look it carefully. So you look at this diffuser, which is really nice. It make of like gloss black, the gloss black paint, and the base you got the metal base. Yes, a metal base. Yes, it looks really nice. Also, you got this rims that made by BBS, as I remember, and had the red brakes inside. So okay, I cannot show that if you guys can see, but this is actually red brakes. Yes, it's actually a red one. It's really dark, so you guys cannot see. So with the interior, it's also really details with this Recaro seats. Yes, Recaro seats and shifter and every details just look really nice. And you got this size blinker that paint in gray, in light gray. It's okay. So the lights, you can see this is a tail lights. It made really details like from the blinkers, and every detail inside is looking really good. So in the front end, the grill, you have 3 grills here, and it's make it look really deep inside. Yes, And the number plate, the famous number plates placement is on the one side to let the air flow inside here. Yeah, that is really nice. Also the hood vents. Yeah, it's every detail just look really nice, and it's worth the money. Yes, and also they made the Ralliart version of this, a red one, but it's quite expensive to compare with this thing, and the die-cast exposed one. Yeah, so I just going with this because this is look really nice. It look nice enough. It's like it's a rally car. It's a Ralliart inside. Don't have any like body kits or decals because this thing is a rally car already, right? So I prefer this, but the white one will expose like every details better. It's really nice though. Okay, the feeling of the whole is like a bit heavy. Yeah, it's heavy. Yeah, it's really nice. The feeling of the wheel sound is very satisfied. And also this thing came with a suspension. Yes, suspension. Yeah, just like regular Tomytec. Okay, this thing look really nice, I can see. So for the powertrain, this thing is powered by a 4G63T. Yes, a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged that made about like 280 horsepower. Yes, for the MR version, and the RS, GSR all made this power. The difference is in the equipment inside. But with UK, you got some really like FQ340, FQ360, like many version of this thing. But overall, this thing just look magnificent with this color and details. I would rate this like about like 9 over 10. So the things I want to change here is I want to make this like a carbon fiber. This part is carbon fiber because in real life this part is carbon fiber. It's a factory option for the MR. Right? Okay. So this video ends here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Goodbye. Okay. Bye bye.